Okay, what we're doing here is we're going to go to a Chinese restaurant and I'm going to buy roast duck for dinner. And at the same time, what we're doing here is we're testing the capability of the Nano iPod to see how well it would pick up the light during the evening. So we're taking a test stroll here, and we're taking a picture of the neighborhood during the evening, and as far as I can see, it seems to be a little dark. Not be able to see anything. But anyway, here's the car. We're going to try to see something here to see if we can make something out of this whole process. So I'm getting inside the car now, and I'm going to turn this on, and we will find out what kind of light we can pick up. So here you can see that the headlights for the cars is doing fairly well. And now we turn on the light, and this is what we're getting so far. And what I'll do here is I'm going to have to strap myself on. Alright, now you can see better lights now. Pick it up. And we look back and see if everything is clear. And no cars coming down, so it's appropriate. We're going to come around and get out. So here we are. This is what we're getting so far. Hopefully this is enough to pick up something. Yeah, we're only going to a Chinese restaurant to pick up the food that we need. It's going to be close by the Safeway shopping area. And as you can see, this is what the night time looks like. Looks like the only good thing about this thing is they have the headlights for the car. That's about the only thing that's great. Other than that, everything else is pretty dark. You can't see anything. Okay, that's what we're gonna do is just buy that, and then after I buy the roast duck, I want to buy a one large can of beer for the dinner, so that should be substantial. And as a matter of fact, I'm curious whether or not my weight is going up or not. And I imagine because of the food that I've been eating after Easter, that my weight has also gone up. But we will find that out later. As you can see here, this area is getting pretty busy. Chinese store is on the left, and we can park here for the time being. And we will shop also at Safeway. Alright, that should be enough test.